Kajing pule naka gospel bakhut kat kum Lukas. Kalan nong ka bakhat san kadkhot iwei hadu shipho. Sisian London bun kinong krong kanjana bat kireu thala ki balawan ban sngap yau Jisu ki Pharisi mat ki start an ki lasdang banya thnung uni ubreu updiang sngovha ya kireu thala bat uyabam ru bat ki kumta u Jisu ulakren kani ka Pharisi shu tharai uwei na phi udon sispa tli kilang brad bat uja no kawei te ule ayu ue no eki khandai pho khandai hari kanja bat ule yuat yakata kawei pat haban da syam anda usyam yaka ukmen hadu kata-kata uba yaka halagi terpeng bat ura yaka syaying nangta ukhot yala kilok bat ki marjan marpa bat uong haki do ya kemen wat nga nabang alasyam ya kalang borot jonga kabalaja hakaju karukom ngaong hapi andan kajing kemen kabakham kharau habeneng ya unong pop ubakala kabamut ban ya ki khandai pho khandai ngut kibam dan kam ban kala kabamut ni tharai kawei ka kanthai kabadon chip house by rupa ka kum panja ano kawei kale akumno kathang ya kasarak kasar ya kayeng bat kawat banyak keleng hadu bakan desyam yaka anda kalasyam kakhot ya laki lokki jor bat ki marjan marpa bat ko ong haki tu ya kemen bat nga nabang alasyam ya kasbai kabalaja hakaju karukom ngaya thu ipi baki angel ublei kiasat kemen ya uwei unong pop ubakala kabamut ka gospel jong trai
Duriap Batusan.
Now the tax collectors and sinners were all gathering around to hear Jesus. But the Pharisees and the teachers of the law muttered, "This man welcomes sinners and eats with them." Then Jesus told them this parable. Suppose one of you has 100 sheep and loses one of them. Doesn't he leave the 99 in the open country and go after the lost sheep until he finds it? And when he finds it, he joyfully puts it on his shoulders and goes home. Then he calls his friends and neighbors together and says, "Rejoice with me, I have found my lost sheep." I tell you that in the same way there will be more rejoicing in heaven over one sinner who repents than over 99 righteous persons who do not need to repent. Or suppose a woman has 10 silver coins and loses one. Doesn't she light a lamp, sweep the house, and search carefully until she finds it? And when she finds it, she calls her friends and neighbors together and says, "Rejoice with me, I have found my lost coin." In the same way, I tell you, there is rejoicing in the presence of the angels of God over one sinner who repents.
Ka ching ya ro ya me ko Chris